If your upper body looks like a fridge, we need to talk. The V-taper isn't just about looking good, it's about power, presence, and dominance. These are 13 ways to unlock it fast. Wide grip pull-ups, king of the V-taper. Do them daily. No excuses. Lat pull-downs slow, controlled. Feel the stretch. Straight arm pull-down. Underrated. Carves out width like a sculptor. Meadow rows or dumbbell rows heavy, clean, brutal. Pro tip. Focus on the mind-muscle connection, not ego lifting. 5. Vacuum exercises. Bruce Lee did it. Flex your core inward for 3 sets every day. 6. Ab rollouts or hanging leg raises. Strength plus aesthetics. 7. Stop bulking stupidly. Lose fat. V-taper doesn't survive under belly flab. 8. Fix your diet. High protein. No sugar binging. Drink water like a Spartan. 9. Train rear delts. Face pulls. Reverse flies. They balance your frame. 10. Train your traps. Slightly less. Too much, and you'll look blocky. 11. Stand tall. Posture matters. Own your space. 12. Wear tapered clothing. It's not cheating, it's strategy. 13. Stay lean year-round. Being jacked once a year isn't winning. Everyone wants the V-taper. Few are willing to earn it. If you're serious, subscribe now.